All right, we're back on YouTube. Here we go. All right. How is my rectangle.py different from yours? Right. I'm not opening idle this time. I'm opening it in gedit, right? So if you go into your home, and then you go into your chapter 3, and you got your rectangle.py, what is this about? When does this happen? You know when this happens. What did I do? Yeah. Huh? You need help. All right, hang on. You can display it, which means just look at it in gedit, right? Or you can run it, right? Why is this stuff now? Go away. Go away. Go away. All right, so if you go into your home, and you go into your chapter 3, and you open rectangle.py, you're going to see this, right? It says I added, what did I add? What don't you have that I have? I have the first line, the second line, and the last line I added. This is to make it work without idle. Let's see if we can make this thing work without idle. I'd rather not do this idle if I don't have to, but if we have to, we'll stick with it, you know. So notice this was an error in the Cliff. Can we stop touching other people's hardware, huh? Please. Okay, Cliff, you're done. Okay. So I don't know if you remember, but the first example they had something like wn equals turtle.screen and wn.mainloop. That doesn't work. It's a turtle.mainloop. Okay. So don't worry about the wn thing. So if you add these two lines at the beginning and this line at the end, and then in here, what else you have to do to make it executable? Yes. Now, can you do it from here, or do you have to do it in the terminal with the change line? You can do it from here. If you right-click the file and you look at properties, you can change the permissions to include this check right here. That's the same thing as change mod 755. You don't have to do that. Okay. So I did that, so that if I do, I guess I could. Is there a way to view list? Does it say? It doesn't show. Does it? It doesn't show if it's executable in this view, I guess. All right, don't worry about that. Okay. All right, so I can run it now. You ready? Look, this is what it should do. There you go, your rectangle.
What's the last one?
Okay. All right, all I did is this. Click it. Click run in terminal. That's it. That's what it should do in the first place. It's just drawing a rectangle, right? All right, so it starts at the center of the screen looking, I guess it's called that east, I don't know. It goes fixed 50 pixels, turns left 90 degrees, goes 30 pixels, turns left 90 degrees, goes 50 pixels, turns left 90 degrees, goes 30 pixels. There's a whole rectangle, right? All right, so do you have that in your file? Notice I'm not in idle, I'm in gedit. Right, so if you missed that, all you got to do, all you got to do is go into your home. This is your home right here. Go to your chapter 3. And then if you didn't change the permissions, when you click on that, you can see this right away. Right? So add these two lines at the top and this line at the bottom. Does everyone realize what this line at the bottom is for? What's this line at the bottom doing? Ending it nicely. What does that mean? Well, did anyone get it to run yesterday from the terminal without idle? Did you notice there was a problem? No? What was the problem? It wouldn't stay up, right, exactly. If you don't, what that does is it's a fake loop that wastes time. It just gets stuck there. If I don't have it, all right, let's see how it runs. There it is, and boom, it went away. Okay, all right, I'm coming around. But if you put that back in, and now you run it, it stays on the screen so you can see what you did. Yeah, it opens the shelf for you. All right, so this is all you're doing. You're going into your Get rid of this. You're going into your home. You're going into chapter 3. You're going into your rectangle.py. And if you didn't change the permissions, it won't do this. It'll go straight to this. Add those 2 lines at the top, that line at the bottom. Right? Save it. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay. And then don't forget also that over here in your home, you can right-click, make properties, change permissions, make sure this is clicked.
I did that and it's still not doing
And it's still not doing anything? All right, coming around. So that way we don't even need idle, hopefully. But let's see. Right?
Okay,
Yours.
how did you get that?
So did this work yesterday? You know, this piece here we had in my head that worked okay? Yeah. So you just had the highlight. Amazing. All right, I want to see that rectangle. Leave it up if it ran. That way you know we're all good. Run it.
We finished the movies.
Good. All right.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Did you not even put anything with process settings that you can see? Sit down. Sit down. I know you put away most of
I think I was failing trigonometry.
Yeah, that's if you save it from idle. Yeah. This has leave the rectangle running. If it works, I want to see it.
How do you, it's not opening a shelf.
Yeah, you don't even need it. Are you saved it? All right, okay, go back to your folder. Go back where it goes through. We don't even have it. Yeah, no, that's not right. Yeah, that's right. That's what it says. Go to the folder. Right click. Right click. Go to properties. It's more like a here. Wait. Okay, good. Oh, but you switched the computers again.
Yeah, I was gonna go to that.
Stop talking around.
Because Turtle was working here yesterday, right?
Oh, you're shit.
That didn't work.
That's not mine. This is it. Oh. My phone is white. Get it together. What are you doing? Your phone is white. My phone is white. Shanice.
I'm a fool.
Yeah, so it doesn't have
Oh,
Turtle.
no. I'm saying this.
All right, you're good. You're good.
You're not good.
Let's see. Okay, let's see. Was it rectangle?
You probably spelled
Let's see.
turtle.
Oh, this beautiful rectangle. All right. It's amazing. Holy cow, what shape is this? Okay, good. Why are you now you're fiddling with chairs? It's a step. I know what. That's it. Okay, stop. Alright, what the heck shape is this? Alright, this is the file? Turtle thingy? Yeah, no.
That's cute, turtle thingy.
So here. Oh, what is it? Sorry. Turtle in? Alright, so this guy? This one? Top of my screen. Top of my screen.
still a go.
Pick any computer.
Do you know what I'm talking about? Make it work with the computer. Already off.
Alrighty, so now we've got that working. Alright, you know, for fun, how about you put your name in here somewhere? Let's see. Remember, your name has to be a comment, and comments in Python are the pound sign, right? So put your name in here somewhere. Let's see, what are we going to say? The file name is rectangle.py, tab, your name, tab, the date. What the heck is today? Oh, 3/12, right? All right, save it like that. Does it still run with that? It better still run with that, right? It does. Okay, good. All right, so just print that. File, print that. Make sure your name's in there on the second line. It can't be the first line because this has to be the first line. I know, I'm trying to make this work without idle. Are you paying attention? Well, let's make it work without idle. All right, so if you have it working without idle, put your name in there and print it. File, print, print. So I got one too. All righty. All right, so you're the only one who doesn't have working idle? Okay, that's one for yours. Right. Is this the file?
That's too far.
Blake, isn't it yours? Thank you. Blake. Blake, isn't it you? Mary looks like Exactly. Right? Stefan.
Oh, damn it.
Doesn't Mary look like the type of guy that do shrooms while he's playing Xbox?
No.
Really does. You're never going to be as tall as me.
I'm 5'10" and a half.
I'm 6'1". Oh,
But I'm 175.
it's Spanish.
All right, how's it going, man? Okay. All right, I need a pile here.
No.
I didn't say when you think I said something.
Ready. So we got Blake, we got Tatiana, we got Shanice, we got Jessica,
Mary, who's yours?
we got Stefano, we got Samantha, we got Brian.
Where is it?
It's really small. I think it's right.
Yeah, this is
That's all right.
Jordan small
That's fine.
crane. That's okay.
How?
I need you.
Huh?
Not so yours.
This one's mine. I didn't see Victoria. Brian. Yeah. Mar? Who the hell's Mar? Oh, Mario? Mario, your name is Mar now? You wrote Mar. Like, who the hell's Mar? All right. Yeah, I don't see Victoria. Start again, I guess. Did it give you an error on the printer? Who's this? What? Are you kidding me?
It's that time of the month.
Put my name next to it.
Yeah, there's someone saying we said it. Second line is a bit. 2021 already? Wow, this is a long class. And we started with 2013. Alright, print it, but it's not working, really?
Yes,
No, you need to straight face contest. Step tomorrow.
I can be on the straight card.
No.
I can get you
That's my name on it.
Yeah, okay.
He's
It's
fine.
mine, I guess.
The same as everybody else. The same.
You're smirking. You're smirking. It's not fair.
Alright. Turtle. Turtle. that? They're turtle pictures. So here?
Hang on, YouTube, I'm debugging. Wait, no wait.
But it worked. I know it was working. Wait.
Yes! Going to break the damn thing. Just make sure you keep it big. All right. Right, see, damn it. Let me ride it. Oh my God. No, you're not doing that again. Two plus one is not equal. Yes, it does. Oh, it doesn't? I want to go again.
Keep it simple, stupid.
That's your file. Change the name in the comment. All right, finally everyone's working. Okay, sorry, technical difficulties. Okay, now everybody, We're on the page 48 of the PDF. Yes? Okay, let's do this one. All right, now let's do it without idle. All right, we need to import turtle. Now I do need WN because I'm going to use that to change the background color and the title of the screen. Okay? I think this WN.main loop is wrong though. Okay? Yeah, it's turtle.main loop. Okay? Now can we just like cut and paste this directly? No? Just for fun. No, no good? Ah. Let's see. All right, now what is this about? This is about background color? Okay. All right, shh. Focus. Guys, what am I doing? Okay. All right, I want to, in that folder, in that chapter 3 folder, you in there? Yeah? Okay, right click, create new document. What are we going to call this one? Well, look what it, wait, Turtle 2.0? Well, look what it does. Wait, listen, shh. What does it do? It creates a screen and changes the background color to light green, changes the screen title to Hello Tess, creates Tess, changes the pen size, changes the pen color, right? Does all kinds of stuff. How about we call this one Tess? Okay. All right, something with Tess in it. I'm going to call it
Can we name it Ninja Turtle? No. Can the N be Ninja Turtle?
tess.py. All right. Now, in tess.py, I'm going to paste all the code that they gave me. You can leave them if you want. Now, listen. What, in the thing that you printed out, we did one thing that's missing here. What? We need what? Well, I called it test. But look, it imports turtle. Well, right, the main loop thing is wrong, which should say turtle dot. Okay, that's what you're saying? Turtle dot? Okay. All right, so it's importing the turtle. It's creating a screen. It's creating a turtle. And it's looping, right? But what's missing here? So pound, bang, /USR, /bin, /Python. All right, save that. Now how do you run it? You go back into the folder and you double click it. But that didn't do it. Why?
Because you don't have permission.
Right, so right click it, change the properties, change the permissions, make it executable. Now let's see how it runs. Do you see what it did? It changed the background color to green. It changed the pen color to blue. It changed the pen size to 3 pixels wide. And it changed the title of the screen to Hello Tess. All right, so here is your program. That's progress. Yeah. Do you have that last one? Turtle.main loop? Yeah, that would slow it up. Makes it a little bit less. Because there's nothing in there. Oh, yeah, that's a good point. Type stuff. Now, did I type any of that? No, I cut and pasted it straight from the PDF. With the mouse. Just use your mouse. This is just an example, just to see how it runs. All I did was I added this line and I changed this line. Really, it's all I did. I spaced it out a little bit, but that's all. Okay, hang on. Okay. All right, how's it going? The words? Where did the words come from?
changed the last line. I added the first line and I changed the last line. No, that's just to explain stuff to you. Yeah, it's just an example. Alrighty. Actually, the comments got messed up, didn't they? Because this is the comment for this line, and this is the comment for this line, right? This changes the color here. Oh, by the way, I figured out all the shapes. You want to flip the shapes in the turtle? Shapes.
Shapes. We did the turtle shape, right? Do you want to? Let's see. What else we got? We got. Let's see. Okay. This what it's doing now is called the classic. That's the classic. I separated it. You don't have to. Okay. Focus. This is the classic shape. Okay. But if you want, you can change it to shape equals quote turtle, right? Which we did yesterday. So we save that and run that. That's what happens, right? But there's other shapes. Let's see. There's circle. What if I make this circle? Circle. Save it and then run that. There's your circle, right? You can make this shape anything you want. There's a way to import a GIF if you want from images.google.com or something, you know. There's arrow, I think. Let's see, try arrow. There's arrow. That's different from classic, right? It's a little bit different. Huh?
I'm having problems with I click tess.py and it opens up, but then it just automatically shuts down.
Okay, hang on. There's also square.
Oh my gosh.
That's square. There's also triangle. Which is close to arrow, really. Yeah, it's really, yeah. All right, so anyway, there's the code. Who's still stuck, Cliff? You're stuck too, why? Wait. Is this the one I had? Is that wrong? No. Is that the one I wrote over? Why did it work 5 seconds ago? And now it doesn't. What is that about? It's working idle?
I kind of had gotten into trouble.
Coming around. Yes. Never mind. We can't select that. That was fine. What is going on with this?
I still have another rack.
As soon as you put it in your folder, it dies. There's something wrong with your folder.
You're the one that made the folder.
No, your subfolder. You're in the subfolder, right?
Yeah.
All right, so everyone has this working except for over here, right? Okay. Oh, let's go. Yeah, that's because just like this is not safe. All right, and who else? Blake?
Yeah. Like when I look, you know how I go like this.
All right, yeah. Change it, right?
Oh, I didn't like it.
Everything, at least one.
I changed it.
Yeah, you gotta do things.
That was even a good line.
All right, so you got over here? You got this? and save. We'll continue tomorrow. I guess we're almost done with the time here. Yes. All right, we're getting there. I'd like to do this without idle. If you're stuck using idle, that's fine. But I'm going to write the code as if words in idle. You need the first and last line. All right, that's it.
Where's your title? Where's the Y supposed to go?
Okay, so however you have to run it that way.
I don't know why it wouldn't work when I have it like.
And I know, that's so weird.
I have it in.
There's something buggy about the Turtle class. I don't think that's us. I don't think that's Ubuntu either. It's
So
something about the Turtle class. That's weird.
That it doesn't work if it's in two subfolders.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. It shouldn't be referencing folders like that.
Yeah, if the file is open, that's all. That
Yeah, I know. Oh well, we'll figure it out. Anyway, as long as you can make it work. But when you hand in stuff, we'll do it this way, just as if we were running it. Well, you are running it from the terminal.
Yeah,
Oh, so then
I'm running it in terminal. Just it's
Just
not
that you
any
can't use a
folder, just
subfolder.
right in the home folder.
Oh well, don't use subfolders, I guess. I don't know what the hell it
Maybe I can
is.
put
Didn't I
it
tell you
in
it's
one.
something to do with the folder, right?
Apparently,
Right?
Maybe it's two folders, and it can only be one level deep or something.
Yeah. Oh wait, I gotta tell YouTube to go away. YouTube,
Bye,
you're still
YouTube.
here. Bye bye, YouTube.